The Non-Profit, written by Steve Rothschild, is a thought-provoking book that challenges traditional notions of how non-profit organizations should operate. Rothschild argues that by adopting a more business-like approach, non-profits can achieve greater impact and sustainability. One of the key themes of the book is the importance of measuring outcomes rather than outputs. Rothschild argues that many non-profits focus on metrics such as the number of people served or the amount of money raised, rather than the actual impact of their programs. He advocates for a shift towards measuring outcomes such as improved health outcomes or increased educational attainment, which can help organizations better understand their impact and make data-driven decisions. Another key theme of the book is the importance of running non-profits like businesses. Rothschild argues that non-profits can learn a lot from the private sector in terms of operational efficiency and strategic planning. He emphasizes the importance of having a clear mission, establishing metrics for success, and being accountable to stakeholders. Rothschild also provides practical advice for implementing these ideas, such as developing a theory of change, establishing a culture of continuous improvement, and using technology for streamlined operations. He provides numerous case studies and examples of nonprofits that have successfully adopted these practices and achieved significant impact. One of the strengths of the non-profit is its focus on sustainability. Rothschild argues that by adopting a more business-like approach, nonprofits can become more financially sustainable and less reliant on grants and donations. This, in turn, can help them achieve greater impact over the long term. In conclusion, the non-profit is a valuable resource for non-profit leaders and anyone interested in the intersection of business and social impact. Rothschild's emphasis on measuring outcomes, running non-profits like businesses, and achieving sustainability make this book a must-read for anyone looking to make a meaningful difference in the world. So if you're tired of non-profit work feeling like a non-stop struggle, the non-profit will show you how to turn your organization into a lean, mean, impact-making machine.